Today's video, tatalakayin naman natin ang page layout section sa ating Microsoft Excel. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, i-skip natin ang draw module because it's very basic at it's not commonly used naman sa Microsoft Excel. Kaya pupunta na tayo kaagad sa page layout. Before I begin, gusto ko lang pong mag-apologize kasi I noticed na yung audio sa aking past video, so Microsoft Excel Basics 1, 2, 3, and 4 ay medyo mahina according to some of our viewers. Thank you so much for giving me this feedback. So I hope na better na yung audio this time kasi I changed my microphone. So please let me know kung ang case natin ay hindi pa rin ninyo marinig ng maayos itong video na gagawin natin today. So let's jump right in sa page layout module ni Microsoft Excel. Ngayon, ang page layout module po, kung mapapansin ninyo later on, is mostly for aesthetics or sa design ng ating sheet. Wala siyang it has nothing to do with formulas or yung ating mga actual functions na ginagawa sa Excel. So, let's start with this section right here. Ito yung pinakaunang section na meron tayo. Meron tayong themes. Basically, si themes po, meron kang iba-ibang format. Ang magandang use for this themes actually is kung gusto ninyong ipareha yung inyong worksheet sa isa sa mga Microsoft PowerPoint na ginagamit din ninyo. Kasi yung mga design na matatagpuan natin sa themes section is actually exactly the same sa Microsoft PowerPoint. So, kunwari, you chose the integral PowerPoint presentation, pwede mong iselect ito for Microsoft Excel para magtugma sila ng mga formatting such as yung kanyang font size, font layout, everything like that. You might not see that reflect right away sa worksheet mo kasi just like I said, it's mostly for design purposes later on. So mostly for printing actually. So kung ano yung magiging itsura niya kapag i-print ninyo yung worksheet or kapag sinave ninyo siya in PDF and all that. So that's for themes. And then you can also customize it depending sa color range na gusto mong piliin. Makikita nyo na kung papalitan niyo yung themes, mapapalitan din yung color scheme kasi each theme is merong color scale designated para sa kanila. And then yung fonts, just like what we discussed earlier, merong assigned fonts para sa each of those themes. And then next, dito sa section na to, this is usually very important, especially kung kailangan ninyong i-print ang inyong worksheet. So, dito ninyo isi-set up yung mga, yung magiging itsura ng actual worksheet ninyo when you print it. So, meron tayong margins section, very similar to sa Microsoft Word. Kung meron na kayong experience sa Microsoft Word, it works exactly the same way. Bale, you can decide kung anong type of margining yung gusto ninyo kapag print ninyo yung document. So, pwede siyang normal, pwedeng very wide, or pwede ding very narrow. And meron din tayong custom margins. So, kung gusto ninyong iset up mismo gaano kalaki yung margin ninyo on top, bottom, right, and left, nandito siya lahat sa my margins section. Meron din tayong orientation. You have two options for that. Of course, either portrait or landscape. So, basically, portrait, ito siya, makikita nyo naman sa picture. So, pahaba siya, pababang pahaba. And then, meron din tayong landscape na pahaba siya, pero vertically. And then, meron tayong size. This is basically yung inyong paper size. So, again, for printing purposes, pwede siyang short or long, just like we call it in the Philippines. Pero meron tayo ditong letter or legal for the long ones. And madami pang different formats. Pwede nyo din iset up ang specific print area sa Excel, meaning kunwari meron tayong information na gusto nating i-print just from here to here, pwede nyo siyang i-select as the print area para itong section lang na ito ang ipiprint natin. So you just go to set print area and then select mo yan. And then, yan na yung print area mo. So you can see, na-highlight siya. So meron na tayong borders dito. This is for printing purposes only. So hindi nyo makikita yung actual border kapag print ninyo siya. Pero it's telling you na ito yung sakop ng ating maipiprint kung sakali mang i-print nyo siya. And then meron din tayong page breaks. Kunwari, gusto ninyo na hanggang 15 lang yung page 1. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng page break dito. And then, meron din tayong background, which is not very commonly used, pero pwede kang mag-design ng background or mag-designate ng background sa inyong worksheet. So, most of the time, picture siya na inyong i-upload. So, pwede nyo siyang i-select and then pupunta kayo sa documents ninyo, select whatever background you want to use, and then mapupunta siya sa inyong sheet. Meron tayong print titles. It's very similar to print area, actually. Pero this is mostly used for the titles. Kasi madalas kapag gagawa ka ng worksheet, syempre meron kang titles sa taas. And sometimes, for example, sa paper mo, kailangan mo nung yung first page mo is just the title of your worksheet. So, pwede mong gamitin ito siya. So, you do the same. Siselect ka lang ng print area. Pwede mo siyang i-designate na mag-appear sa lahat ng pages sa worksheet mo kung meron ka multiple pages as well. Let's try to do that right now. Oops. So, say print titles. Select natin ang print area na ito. Ayan. And then dito yung, kung gusto mo siyang i-repeat every time. So, pwedeng either the columns itself or the rows naman. Sorry, baliktad pala. The rows or the columns. Ganyan. Okay. And then lastly, we have page setup section. Dito madami ka ding options. This is specific sa iyong sheet. Kung meron kang gustong i-select na area, just like what we did for print area, kung gusto mo ng whole sheet and everything. And then the rest over here is just actually for view. Kunwari, itong grid lines. Kung gusto mo siyang maging visible sa printing area, you click on it. Kasi like I said earlier, itong mga lines na ito is only visible habang nagwo-work ka sa inyong Microsoft Excel. Hindi siya makikita kapag ka-print mo siya. Pero you can make that appear as well. Pwede din gawin the same situation sa headings. Baka meron kang ilalagay na title or heading dito. Pero gusto mo siyang visible lang sa document mismo habang nagwo-work ka sa computer, pero not when you print or both or on print only. And that's it for the page layout module sa Microsoft Excel. Thank you again for watching this video. Sa ating next na module, tatalakayin naman natin ang formulas module, which is a bit more complex kasi dito natin matatagpuan ang iba-ibang functions. So, I'll see you on the next video.